Hello students, let's revise what we have learned in last two lectures. Will you tell me the taste of different food items? Let's see.
Sar, laddu, sweet, neem leaves, bitter, lemon, sar, halwa, sweet, lime juice with salt, salty, chili, spicy, bitter gourd, bitter, toffee, sweet, raw mango, sar. Let us help butterfly fill in the blanks. Drips are given to very sick people. Glucose drips are given to very sick people. Bitter gourd is to taste. Bitter gourd is bitter to taste. R helps us to taste food. Tongue helps us to taste food. The of the tongue helps us to identify bitter tastes. The back of the tongue helps us to identify bitter tastes. Of the tongue help us to identify sour taste. The sides of the tongue help us to identify sour taste. We all have on our tongue. Taste buds. We all have taste buds on our tongue. This in our mouth helps in digestion. The saliva in our mouth helps in digestion. Our sense of helps us to identify foods with strong smells. Smell. Our sense of smell helps us to identify foods with strong smells. Will you help Bert to find out which of these sentences are true and which are false? You can taste food with your lips. False. One feels tired when one is hungry. True. Chewing food properly helps in digestion. True. It is important to drink lots of water. True. Less than half our body is water. False. Glucose gives us energy. True.
बच्चे लोग when I was kid, that time one incident happened with me. When I was a student and my teacher was there in front of me. मैं थी और मेरे टीचर थे सामने. Okay. In the classroom, one incident had happened, and that time my teacher told me that life does not get better with chance, but it's better with the change. बच्चे लोग सुनो उन्होंने क्या बोला था. She said life does not get better by chance. Chance से life better नहीं बनती है. So it gets better by change. Change करने से ही life better बनती है. Exactly एक ऐसा ही चेंज मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ which had happened in 1822 year. 18th century में हुआ था. Okay. So today I will tell you a small story of Martin, 18 years boy who was a soldier. Okay. And Dr. Beaumont. Simple. Okay. Simple story it was. Like Martin, because he was a soldier and because of work he went to another place and he got a shot. Okay, he got shot in his stomach. So bleeding was there. The around people, those who were there, they called Dr. Beaumont for dressing and cleaning the wound, etc., etc. As you know, as a doctor's duty, he did clean the wound. Wound matlab zakham. He cleaned the wound and after that he put dressing and left away. Fine. After many days, Dr. Beaumont has again observed that patient, that Martin, he observed Martin, that wound was healed. The wound was healed, but the cavity, the hole in the stomach, it was remain as it is. Just see how it is. उसके पेट में एक कैविटी हुई थी, होल हुआ था बाय दैट शॉट, गन शॉट की वजह से कैविटी, एक होल हुआ था स्टमक में. After a month, that hole remained as it is. Only on that hole, skin, thin layer of skin was covered, appeared. The skin, thin layer of skin was appeared on the cavity. Isn't it interesting? Was that magic? No, it wasn't magic. It was body regeneration. Fine. So, Dr. Beaumont was also surprised how it had happened. Okay, so he was like, this is the change now. This is a change and this is the right opportunity to me. This is not a chance. This is right opportunity to me to know what process exactly happened in our stomach. After that, he did many experiments with the stomach of Martin. And we know that normal Martin, he was a soldier and he also got famous after that experiment. Right? Just sochiye, if we had, suppose if I had any injury in my stomach, definitely it will be too much painful, right? But then too, Martin sustained that pain, and many years, almost 9 years, he faced the experiments. 9 years. देखो, 1 साल नहीं, 2 साल नहीं, totally 9 years that Dr. Beaumont did experiment on the Martin's stomach. Okay, ये experiment क्या है, क्यों है? By that, what he concluded, what he observed, and what word understood by Martin's stomach window. Okay, that we will see now. Fine. बच्चे लोग, remember I told you discoveries and invention difference, right? If we get corona vaccine on the corona, what does it will be? It will be invention because it was never found, and it will be, if we get, it will be new invention, right? But whatever system we have in our body, we have skeleton, we have reproductive system, we have digestive system, which we learned, that study is also a discovery. वैसी कुछ discovery we are going to see in this lesson, in this lecture. Before enjoying the story, let's learn one poem on Martin's window. Here is an old story. It seems so funny. There was a window in Martin's tummy. Actually, by mistake, Martin was shot. Right in the stomach, it bled a lot. The wound slowly healed and was covered by skin. But the hole was still there. You could peep right in. Oh, what a chance for a doctor to study. What happened to the food inside the body? The story seems odd, but it is really true. The secret of Martin's stomach help us all, me and you. Yes, my dear students. By this poem, your idea must be clear. But then, too, in details, we will talk in story. Here we are. Story: a stomach with a window. In a poem, you read about a soldier called Martin, who is the hero of our story, Martin, and he was 18 years old. When he was shot, he got seriously hurt. At that time, Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. Dr. Beaumont cleaned the wound and put the dressing. He had a big hole in his stomach. The hole was covered with a loose flap of skin like washer in a football. Exactly. Dr. Beaumont thought this is a treasure for me. Okay, so he started experiment for nine years. Till that time, Martin grew up and he got married also. But experiment did not stop that time also. The experiment continuously was going on. At the same time, what Dr. Beaumont has done, he observed what kind of juices are secreted in the stomach. Secreted means produce hona. What kind of or which juices are secreted or produced inside the stomach, and how that juices react on the food particle in the stomach. Okay, even he thought how much time it taking for digestion of food. Okay, even he discovered when you are sad, that time how it digested, when you are happy, that time how it is digested. This all thing he observed and he wrote in his book. Fine. बच्चे लोग, I will show you one chart. By that our picture will get more clear. Okay. So before that, I would just add one point. Dr. Bowens, he observed through the pipe, through the hole inside the stomach. Okay, but sometime what he did, he taken out the juices. Suppose we know that in stomach we have hydrochloric acid also, right? Even other digestive juices also. We said now I'm having acidity. When we have having acidity, when the food is not proper, when your sleep is not proper, or you eat anything else which is not good for your body, that time you feel acidity, right? Exactly. That acidity we feel because of the acid present as a digestive juice in the stomach. Clear? Okay, so whenever your mommy daddy saying I'm feeling acidity, tell mama, because in your stomach digestive juices are secreted more, that you are feeling acidity. Okay, come back to the topic. So I was saying that he has taken some little bit, digestive juices in the glass. This is the glass and this is the stomach. Here the Martin is laying down. He put some fishes pieces in the ग्लास. ओके, ग्लास में पहले से क्या था, उसमें डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस थे मार्टिन के स्टमक से लिए हुए. ठीक है, तो एक जगह पे वो ऑब्जर्व कर रहे थे कि मार्टिन के स्टमक में क्या हो रहा है, और दूसरी जगह पे ग्लास में ऑब्जर्व कर रहे थे कि वो फिशेस के पीसेस जो डाले थे उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है. Okay, after some time, after I think 2.5 hours, he conclude that pieces of fishes got digested. Okay, so see, till now what he understood that in our body, in our stomach, juice is present that is acidic, and because of that acidic juice, our food get digested. Clear? Very important it is. Okay. Now he did many experiments, such as right now, suppose I'm a Dr. Beaumont. Okay, I'm doing experiment. I'm giving one food A to Martin. Same food A I'm keeping in the glass. I'm giving food B to the Martin. Same food B I'm keeping in the glass. Why? Because Dr. Beaumont want to see विच रेट ऑफ डाइजेशन इज फास्टर. कहाँ पे डाइजेशन फास्ट होता है, मार्टिन के स्टमक में या तो वही जूसेस लेके ग्लास में. ठीक है, तो ही ट्राइड विथ एग्स. ओके, ही ट्राइड विथ मिल्क एंड अदर फूड आइटम. सेम फूड आइटम ही इज गिवन टू Martin also, and same food item he kept it in the glass which is having digestive juice. Fine. So he has observed that digestion is very faster in Martin's stomach. मार्टिन के स्टमक में जो जूस थे उससे डाइजेशन फास्ट हो रहा है, लेकिन इन द स्टमक वही जूस अगर ग्लास में लेते हैं और ग्लास में डाइजेशन रेट चेक किया था तो इट इज स्लोअर. गॉट इट? सो लेट्स सी विच फूड पार्टिकल ही ट्राइड. Here you have the chart which showing different foods. See the SR number: unboiled milk, boiled milk, full boiled egg, half boiled egg, raw egg beaten, and last raw egg. You have column food digested in the stomach, and other side you have food digested with digestive juices but in the glass. Fine. So unboiled milk took 2 hours 15 minutes in the stomach. At the same time you will find 4 hours 45 minutes in the glass. Boiled milk took 2 hours in the stomach but 4 hours 50 minutes in the glass. Full boiled egg took 2 hours 30 minutes in the stomach but took 8 hours in the glass. Fourth one is half boiled egg took 3 hours to digest in the stomach but 6 hours 30 minutes took in the glass. Raw egg beaten took 2 hours in the stomach but it took 4 hours 50 minutes in the glass with digestive juices. Sixth one is raw egg. It took 1 hour 30 minutes for digestion in the stomach but it took 4 hours in the glass with digestive juices. बच्चे लोग, by this observation what you understood? Just see the chart carefully and tell me what you have understood. Compare the stomach and compare the glass. Okay, you may find that stomach digestion rate in the stomach is faster but digestion in the glass with digestive juices are slow. ठीक है, what I said, डाइजेशन जो स्टमक में हो रहा है वो फास्टर है बट वही डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस अगर आप ग्लास में लेते हो एंड इफ यू चेक द डाइजेशन देन इट इज स्लो.
On the 6th of June 1822, Alexis Saint-Martin, who had been shot in the stomach, was first treated by US Army surgeon William Beaumont, who became known as the father of gastric physiology. He was accidentally shot at close range with a shotgun that had been loaded with lead pellets for hunting ducks. The surgeon from the local US Army fort was called to treat the injured man, whom it was assumed would die of the horrific effects of the gunshot. A large cavity had been opened in his side, his ribs were fractured, and there was a hole in his stomach. However, despite the dire diagnosis, Saint-Martin slowly recovered. The one key reminder of the accident was that the hole in his stomach had attached itself to the hole in his body, leaving a direct route into his stomach from the outside world. Known as a permanent gastric fistula, the direct access to Saint-Martin's stomach led Dr. Beaumont to contract the illiterate voyageur as his servant and medical test subject. Beaumont's experiments, which often involved the observation of pieces of food that had been tied to string and inserted directly into his subject's stomach through the hole, led to enormous advances in the scientific understanding of digestion. Beaumont's decision to keep the hole open, rather than to perform surgery to close it, raised very few ethical questions at the time. The doctor actually gained enormous prestige from his research, which he published in his book Experiments and Observations on the Gastric Juice and the Physiology of Digestion. His subject, Saint-Martin, later returned to Canada, where he died naturally in 1880.
Dear students, right now you can see two pictures. One is a girl, another is a boy. One is very thin and down one is a fat Motu, right? Okay, that girl name is Rashmi and the boy is Kailash. ठीक है? What is problem with Rashmi? What you can see about Rashmi? Okay, Rashmi is actually 5 years old, but she look like only 3 years old. But this Kailash, he's little bit younger, little bit elder than his own age. Okay, why it is so? Because Rashmi is very weak. She's not having the proper diet. She's not eating much. Okay, that is why she's feel very sick again and again, and she's feel very tired. Okay, at the same time, look at Kailash. Kailash is eating pizza, burger, sweet. So what do you think? What is their problem? Yes, they both are having the problem with their diet. Rashmi not eating proper food. She's eating very much less. If she get the proper dal chawal, roti, sabji, then she will get the energy. She need more carbohydrates. At the same time, Kailash is eating junk food, so he is having lots of fats, unnecessary fats he's having. So instead of that, if he skip the junk food and if he eat proper daily rice, chapati, vegetable, fruit, milk, then his weight will be in control. Fine, dear students? Okay. The condition of Rashmi is malnutrition. In that, students or kid will not get the proper diet. The condition of Kailash is obesity, in which kid is having lots of fats in his body. That is why it is obesity.
To stay healthy, we need to eat a balanced diet. True? When we eat a balanced diet, we will suffer from malnutrition. Every child up to class 8 in government schools has a right to midday meal. True? When someone is suffering from diarrhea and vomiting, we should give them ORS. True?
The food we eat is broken into smaller and simpler parts in our body. This process is called digestion. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine, and large intestine are the main body parts which are involved in digestion. The blood absorbs this digested food and takes it to all parts of the body. Inside the mouth. Digestion of food starts in the mouth. The teeth cut the food into small pieces. There it mixes with digestive fluid produced by the mouth called saliva. This makes the food moist and soft. Inside the stomach. The tongue pushes down the broken food through a tube-like structure called the food pipe that connects the mouth to the stomach. The stomach is a hollow, muscular bag which churns the food into fine paste. The walls of stomach release digestive juices. They mix well with the food and break down the proteins into simpler form. Inside the intestine. From the stomach, food goes into the small intestine. The juices of the small intestine further digest the food. The useful parts of the food are then absorbed into the blood. The undigested food goes into the large intestine. The solid waste is then removed from the body through the anus. The liquid waste is removed from the body in the form of urine and sweat.